Welcome to this short video on how to write an essay using The Whale Rider by Witi Ihamaira. Remember, an essay is made up of 3 parts, just like a hamburger. Introduction, body, and conclusion. The body being the good stuff in the middle, and the introduction and the conclusion being the buns on either side. Here's the question again, in case you've forgotten. The key part is describe 3 challenges your character faces throughout the novel. You want to use some of that language in your introduction and your body paragraphs. You should have an essay plan before you start. Remember, this is what I got you to do in class, with choosing 3 main points or 3 challenges and finding 3 quotes. Okay, first part, the introduction. Maybe you're just introducing what you are going to be writing about in your essay. Okay, 3 things you've got to mention: the name of the text, or in this case the novel, the author. You need to restate the question in your own language, and you need to describe your 3 main points, or at least just list them. Okay, here is an example. You'll note the name of the text, the name of the novel in this case, is underlined, only the name of the novel. You need to put your character in, and you need to put your challenges in those gaps you see there. Okay, and this is an example of a completed introduction. This is just 1 paragraph, the first paragraph. I've used Kahu, and I've chosen 3 challenges, but remember, you will put in your challenges. Okay, you can pause this if you need to and have a read. Okay, moving on to the body. Remember, this is 3 paragraphs based around your 3 main points, and each body paragraph needs to follow Peel. What is Peel? Well, here it is. You need to memorize this. Okay, point. What is it you're going to be talking about in your paragraph? What is one of the challenges? The example, or a quote from the text that proves the point. You then need to explain the example. What is going on? Why is it important? And what else is happening in the text at that moment? And you then need to link it to the next body paragraph, back to the question, or to a real-world example. Okay, here is an achieved level paragraph using Peel. You can see I've color-coded the various parts so that you can see where they are. The quote has quotation marks around it, so you know it's a quote. Generally, the explain part, the explanation, is a bit longer than the quote. Again, pause this and have a read if you need to. Okay, this is an example of a merit or excellence level paragraph. You'll see the point and the linking sentence are exactly the same. Okay, all that's changed is I've added a second example, a second quote, and a second sentence explaining it. Okay, so every time you give a quote, give an explanatory sentence as well. Okay, and this is a 3rd example. This is just achieve level, but this is using Nanny Flowers rather than Kahu. If you need to, have a pause and have a read of what I've done, again, looking at the various sections based on the color coding so you can see how you use Peel. Point, example, explain, link. Okay, once you've done your introduction and your 3 body paragraphs, you need to do a conclusion. Remember, this is just summing up what it is you've said. So you need to repeat what the name of the text and the author are, restate the question really briefly, and restate your 3 main points. The very last thing you should do is give an insightful comment about that shows your knowledge of the text, or your explanation of what it's about. You should start all conclusions with "in conclusion." Okay, and here is a completed conclusion. Again, you can pause this little video and have a look at it. Again, the name of the text is underlined, and I'm just going to read the insightful comment at the end there. This novel teaches that everyone will have challenges in their life that they will have to overcome. Okay, you've got to think up your own insightful comment, your own knowledgeable statement about the text, about your character, what have you learned about them, and put it as the very last sentence. Okay, good luck, and remember, come and see me or email me if you need some extra help. Otherwise, rewatch this video.